Hello everyone, my name is Subramanya. Let's get straight to the point on Boomi's Tech Preview connectors. You need to know what they are, the benefits, the risks, and exactly how to use them. We will cover it all in four simple steps or four simple points in the next 3 minutes. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is a Tech Preview connector? Think of it like it's early access. This is Boomi giving you a beta version of a new connector before it's officially released. It's for new technology. They usually connect to a brand new applications or emerging tech like the recent connectors like OpenAI connector, Microsoft Excel connector. It's for feedback. Boomi releases them to see how developers like us use them in the real world. Your feedback helps them build the final product. It's not a finished product. This is the key takeaway. It's a work in progress. Why we use them? So, what's in it for you? There are some advantages. You get a head start. You can start building and testing integrations for a new system. Your company is adopting months ahead of schedule. You reduce future risk. By building a proof of concept, now you can identify challenges and plan your project properly long before it's critical. You influence the product. Found a bug or you need a specific feature, you can directly give feedback to Boomi that shapes the final official connector. You solve unique problems. For very new services, a tech preview connector might be the only way to automate a process right now. Now, the risks, the critical warnings, and the drawbacks of using the tech preview connector. This is the most important point, the golden rule. Never use tech preview connectors in a production environment. They are for non critical work only. There is no support service level agreement. If it is, like for example, if it breaks, Bhumi's official support won't be there to help you fix it. You are on your own. You expect some bugs and breaking changes. The connector could be unstable, slow, or Bhumi might change how it works. Or you can even have it completely without any warnings. It's not feature. It might be missing key operations or functionality that you need for a full integration. So the smart way to use them is we need to use them only in your development or test accounts. Isolate them from all business critical processes. Build proof of concept, use them to prove an integration is possible and to learn how a new application API is working. And there are and these are like some of the tech preview connectors that are available in the platform page. Read the connectors documentation. Always check its help page for known limitations and supported features. Experiment and give feedback. Test its limits and report your findings back to Boomi. You will be helping the entire community. So there you have it. Tech preview connectors are powerful tool for testing and innovation. Think of them as a test drive. not the final product. Explore them, learn from them, always protect your production environment. Thanks for watching.